Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun summer themed video, I'll be showing you how to draw an ice cream cone surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our cute summer ice cream surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to line up the corners and give it a nice fold down the middle. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time, giving it another nice fold. Now when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines to show me where I want to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for the fun surprise. Now to start off with our cute summer ice cream surprise fold, let's begin at the top of the ice cream. I'm going to begin here by making a little bump and then a little bump here. Next, we're going to make a nice big curve shape. We'll also put a little cherry on top of here. Let's go ahead and just make a little circle. And then we're going to make a long skinny stem. Let's make a little bump here and a little bump here. And then we're just going to make a wiggly line across. Now for the cone, let's come down at an angle. We're going to kind of round it off and then bring it back up here, kind of like a V shape. Now let's go ahead and give our ice cream kind of like a funny little face. So let's begin by making a circle for an eye, and then we're going to make another circle for an eye right here. We'll go ahead and make a circle towards the top of each one, and another one towards the bottom. And then we can go ahead and color in the outside parts. For the mouth, let's make a line across. Then we're going to come down and up. We'll make another line across and a little curve for the tongue. And we can go ahead and color that in. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now once we open this up, we have two halves of our ice cream. So let's go ahead and make some more scoops in here. So let's start right here. I want to curve this line in and I want to curve this line in. Then let's go ahead and make a little bump across here. Let's make a circle for an eye and then another circle right here. Then we'll do some more cute eyes. We'll make those circles in here, put one at the bottom too, and then just color in that inside part. We'll make a cute little smile here. And then we can even go ahead and put a little bow on this one. We'll put a little circle shape here. And then a bump here and a bump here with a little line inside each one. Now let's do another scoop. So let's make a little curve here. I'm going to curve a line up, and then I'm going to curve a line up here. We're going to make a little cute cat ice cream. So I'm going to make two little bumps here. And then a little line across. I'm going to make a circle for the eye and then another circle for the eye here. This time I'm just going to put one big circle inside each one for the little reflection. We'll do a little oval shape for the nose. And then we'll make two little curves here. Then we'll do some little lines for whiskers. Now let's do another one right here. This time I'm going to kind of curve this up and I'm going to make it come around and then over like this. This one, let's go ahead and make a line across. Then we're going to go in just a little bit. Then we're going to make a big curve here, a big curve here, and a line across. Let's make two big smiley face shapes in here, and then a line across each one. Then we'll do two diagonal lines in here for some sunglasses. And then we'll make a cute little mouth right there. And then we can make little eyebrows right here. Next, right up here, I want to put one more small little ice cream cone, or ice cream. So I'm going to make a little bump here and a little bump here. And then this time, I'm going to make this come down and this come down. We're going to make a little wiggly line across. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up here and a line that's going to come up here. I'm going to make a little line like this and a little one here. We'll make a little line across and a nice big smile. We'll do a curve here for the tongue and a line across for the teeth. And there you go. There is your drawing of a fun, cute little summer ice cream cone. When we have it all closed up, we have our fun little ice cream cone, and then when we open up, we've got all these fun little characters in here. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.